when I wrote this, I didn't even like had a chance, or like I didn't even think, like something so accurate like this is going to happen, but it happened. You guys have no idea on the amount of things are going to get crazy in this video. Okay, so if you haven't checked my latest videos, or you just stumbled upon this manifestation video, I recently moved into what I call is my dream house. And little did I know, 5 years ago, I talked about it in my journal. And what happened? I'll now live into the house that I wrote about in my journal. Now please keep an open mind towards this video. I know some of you are spiritual, some of you believe into the manifestation but don't believe it in hardcore. Some of you believe into the power of your subconscious mind, your mind and your thoughts. So whatever floats your boat, believe that. And I just wanted to share my experience with you, because why not? I mean, this is something which has happened to me, which is very, 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 very crazy, and I just wanted to share this with the internet. As you can see, this is my diary from 2017 to 2018. I really hope you can see. And let's move on. Okay, I will read out word by word what I have said in the video. I have scripted in this book, and I will tell you what exactly has come true. Okay, so this is the new moon scripting which I did. Okay, I don't really do that right now. I don't know why. I mean, I was a lot spiritual back then. Now I'm just like lazy, I think. I don't know. I wrote this on 20 September 2017, which is almost 4 years ago, which is insane. We are going to find a 2 BHK. Okay, I haven't read this. Okay, I am reading it right now. I knew that I wrote it in some book and I found this page, so I was like, okay, I'll just read it on camera. I haven't read it in years, I would say. Okay, we are going to find the new 2 BHK apartment between the area of this and this. I'm not going to mention the place, but yeah, and the place is between this and this, like from A to B. It is between the stations that I've mentioned, within our budget. Okay, and yeah, this is kind of true. Like, this went a little bit over our budget, but theek hai. And it is going to be a 8 to 20 floor building. This is 23 floors building. My apartment is going to have the perfect source of sunlight. Guess what? I'm not even using an artificial light right now. All I have is amazing sunlight. And it has amazing white walls. Long and white walls. What do you see behind me? Oh, I mean, you just have to paint the walls, but yeah, white walls. And long living room with an area for dining. True, if you haven't seen my house tour, living room tour, no, that's coming after this video. So that is coming, but you will see that it does have a great dining area. I mean, a good one. And each room will have a balcony. Okay. We don't really have a balcony, but like we have kind of like a French window situation happening right now, so which is kind of like half true, right now. And I will have a lot of space to store my shoes. Priorities, Urvee's priorities. Okay, I do have a lot of space to store my shoes. Again, closet tour coming soon. You guys are going to be shook when you see that. My bedroom will be huge enough to store 3 IKEA white cupboards. I mean, this is more than enough. Like, it fits perfectly. So yeah, my room is huge. Like, I won't say it's like extremely huge, but it's huge for me. So props to that. I wrote it down, and then I wrote down that everything will be white and minimal and fresh, and I am going to stay there. It is white and minimal and fresh. Even my living room is white and minimal and I can say like bit of modern edge to it. I mean, I cannot believe. I mean, it's just like, it's not extremely detailed. The what freaks me out is the part of the levels and the sunlight. And I mean, walls are fine, like, but the place where it is situated and the, what can we say, the location of the apartment. Let me see if I can find something else. I haven't even opened this book, so in so many years that I don't even remember if I like wrote anything about the house other than this. I significantly remember I wrote about this, but I don't think that I wrote about any like something else, scripted anything else about the house. I wrote about this in 2017, and 2 years later we booked the house, we put a token on it, we bought it, and in 2021 I am getting to live in it, which is kind of insane. But yeah, I mean, this just proves that A, manifestation is real, B, whatever you put your mind through in your subconscious mind, it becomes real. I feel like I just saw this one video where they were like, let's say if you script something down, or if you, it's something, like, oh, I remember one thing which happened. Okay, so the area where I live in right now, again, this is around the same time frame of 2016 and 17. This, I mean, it's a great place, it's like not like a happening place, but I would say like, it's a great place. People come here around because there is a very famous mall in this area. So we went to this mall, which is near where I live right now, and then I came in. I was walking around, not in my building area where I live right now, but I was walking nearby this area. And once I just remembered that, what if it would be so nice if I would have lived here. I just said that, and I still remember that memory, and I still remember that I wrote about, wanting a house, because we have wanted to live in this house. We were wanting to move, we were wanting to upgrade a house for like years, like 5 to 7 years now. We were searching for the perfect house, and then when we saw this in 2019, it just perfectly clicked, and I was like, this is the one. Like, you just buy it right now, like, not like buy it right now, it's not like that, but it's like, we felt like, okay, yes, this is the one, like, this is the one. How the specific details I mentioned, and even like once I just thought, like, very vividly, I remember this, that I wish I could have lived here. I just thought while I was in the area that I am living in right now, and now I live here. So, which was crazy. So you can believe in manifestation, you can believe in law of attraction, or you can just say that, this is my subconscious mind which made things happen. I truly think that I did script it down. If you want to talk, if I should frame this into the language of spirituality, I would say that, I let go of the desire, the intense desire of, oh my god, I want this now, and I just let it go. And I just truly felt like, like, when it's the right time, we will find the perfect house. And we kept looking at the house. It was not like, okay, we let it go and then like want God to drop us a house. Like, we went and searched for it, we worked for the house, we went to so many places to house hunt, and then when we came across this 2 years later, we found this, we put a token on it, all that, and we manifested it. Like, feel like letting go, having the faith, I feel like is also important. Like, not giving up, that is also, I feel like, a very important thing, and a very important aspect in, generally speaking, achieving whatever you want in life, whether you believe in spirituality or not, whether you believe in law of attraction or manifestation or not. But yes, if you put enough effort and dedication and good energy and positivity and faith into it, you will get it. This is the biggest thing which I have currently manifested. I have manifested small things. Let me know if you want me to make a video on the small things that I've manifested. When I wrote this, I didn't even like had a chance, or like, I didn't even think, like, something so accurate like this is going to happen, but it happened. So yeah, that was it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.